Are you looking for signs and symptoms of a heart attack in females? Heart attack is the leading cause of death among women, affecting more women than men. While many risk factors lead to a heart attack, one of the most important is poor eating habits. Heart disease begins with bad dietary choices, which can dramatically increase your chances of developing heart disease over time. The most common early signs and symptoms of a heart attack in women are chest pain, shortness of breath, sweating, nausea, and vomiting. If you experience any of these symptoms, you must get medical help as soon as possible. Signs and symptoms of heart attack in females. 1. Chest pain. One of the most common symptoms of a heart attack in women is chest pain or discomfort. This can range from mild pain to intense stabbing sensations spreading over your chest. If you're experiencing chest pain or discomfort, you must get checked out as soon as possible. This could be an indication of a heart attack. 2. Radiating pain in arms, back, neck, or jaw. If you experience pain radiating down your arm, back, neck, or jaw, you likely have a heart attack. This is because heart attacks often cause intense pain in these areas. 3. Stomach pain. Sometimes heartburn and a stomach ulcer can occasionally be mistaken for stomach discomfort, which indicates a heart attack. 4. Nausea or vomiting. Heart attack symptoms in women can include nausea or vomiting. In some cases, these symptoms may be the only signs that a woman has had a heart attack. Nausea and vomiting are common symptoms of heart attacks, and they can often make it difficult for women to eat or drink. You should never ignore these symptoms. They can check you for other signs of a heart attack and recommend ways to treat them. 5. Unexpected onset of sweating. The most common symptom of an early heart attack is extreme sweating. This includes excessive sweating in unusual areas, like the palms or underarms, heavy sweating during rest, and increased urination. If you experience any of these symptoms, please consult a doctor as soon as possible. There's always the possibility that you have an early heart attack and need to take action right away. 6. Unusual tiredness. Tiredness or fatigue is one of the most common symptoms of a heart attack, and other signs like shortness of breath, chest pain, and an increased appetite usually accompany it. It can make it hard for women to stay active or even get out of bed. 7. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is one of the most common symptoms of a heart attack, and it can occur at any stage of the disease. In fact, up to 2/3 of women who have a heart attack experience shortness of breath. 8. Feeling dizzy, faint, or lightheaded. A heart attack can quickly lead to severe complications if not treated promptly. One of women's most common heart attack symptoms is feeling dizzy, faint, or lightheaded. If you experience any of these signs and symptoms, it's essential to seek medical attention right away. 9. Palpitations, or a fluttering or pounding heart. Heart attack symptoms in women can include palpitations or a fluttering or pounding heart. This occurs when the heart becomes unable to pump blood efficiently and effectively. It is most common in middle-aged or older people, but it can also occur in younger women. 10. Trouble sleeping. Heart attack symptoms in women can include trouble sleeping. This is because many women experience heart pain and confusion simultaneously, making it difficult to sleep. How to prevent heart attack in women? One of the best ways to prevent heart attacks in women is by maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet, and exercising regularly.